there's one of Woden's ravens. He's really close to us today. Ka, 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 ka. Hi, buddy. Usually doesn't let us get this close to him. Let's see how close I can get. A lot closer than the videos making it look like I am. I'm probably about 12 feet away. See how close we can get. We're at Ocean Beach again in San Francisco. Today's our Sunday. So I'm going to see if I can get closer to him. His wings are fluttering. He's like, not today. Oh, he's got a little twig on his leg. So I can gather more shells. And last time I came here, it was on a Sunday. I think it was a Sunday, but it's in my videos on my page. But anyways, me and my man were cruising the beach because we do this once a week, and I was like, yeah, I want to look